Rosemary oil is a natural remedy that has been used for centuries to improve the condition of hair. This oil works by stimulating the production of new hair cells, which aids in the restoration of damaged hair follicles and the promotion of regrowth. It is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the severity of conditions like dandruff or scalp itchiness. So, if you're interested in using rosemary oil as part of your hair growth regimen, make sure to check out our top 5 picks before making a purchase. Weleda Rosemary Conditioning Hair Oil is an all-natural hair growth serum that contains rosemary oil, which has been proven to promote hair growth and improve the health of your locks by preventing dandruff and grease buildup on your scalp. The oil's rosemary extract stimulates hair follicles, and other ingredients such as jojoba, lavender, and chamomile oil, which provide anti-aging, frizziness reduction, softness, and protection against brittle hair damage. It also contains vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage, and argan oil, which is a natural hair lubricant and conditioner that keeps your hair looking sleek all day. This hair oil is also sulfate and paraben-free, and the rosemary scent is invigorating and refreshing, making it ideal for daily use. So whether you're dealing with thinning hair or simply want to keep your hair healthy and shiny, the Weleda Rosemary Conditioning Hair Oil can be a great option. Looking for a way to get healthier and thicker hair? Look no further than the Mielle Rosemary and Mint Essential Oil. This oil has been shown to improve circulation, which allows more oxygen to reach the hair follicles and stimulates them, resulting in faster hair growth. It's formulated with over 30 essential oils and nutrients to deeply nourish your scalp and hair, combat dandruff, improve circulation, and promote healthy, strong, and lustrous hair. This oil is also an easy-to-apply treatment that protects split ends, chemically treated hair, and all hair types while encouraging a healthy appearance. So, to promote radiant hair, add Mielle Rosemary Oil to your daily hair care routine for a healthy and shiny finish that can be air-dried or styled as desired. Hair fall and overall thinning of hair can be quite alarming for people who don't know how to treat it. In this case, Handcraft Rosemary Oil for hair can be your magic product. This magical oil can help promote hair growth and prevent further hair loss. With no fillers or additives, handcrafted rosemary oil provides 100% pure, organic, and natural essential oils that can be diluted with carrier oils for a variety of purposes. The amber glass bottle protects the oil from harmful UV rays, ensuring that your hair gets the best possible treatment. So if you want a rosemary oil that soothes the scalp, strengthens hair follicles, and works wonders on dry and damaged hair, apply this handcrafted rosemary oil to your hair every day. Looking for a complete natural solution to improve your skin, promote hair growth, and provide enough aromatherapy? Consider the Maple Holistics Rosemary Oil, which is gaining popularity due to its excellent diffusive properties. For endless natural benefits, you can add this rosemary oil to your favorite shampoo or beauty products and use it on your hair to treat dry scalp. You can also combine this pure rosemary oil with a small amount of your favorite carrier oil to create a natural anti-aging serum for your entire body, including your face and hands. The oil not only works well for encouraging hair and follicle growth, but it also has powerful anti-aging qualities that hydrate and make your skin glow and give you a more self-assured and energizing appearance. So why wait? Apply this to your hair for healthy hair, and also use this oil in diffusers to make your entire family feel energized, joyful, and focused. The MAJESTIC Pure Rosemary Essential Oil is a great choice for those who are looking for a 100% pure and natural product that can help you generate healthy hair growth. Because of its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the redness and inflammation caused by scalp conditions like eczema, this oil has also been shown to be effective in treating dandruff and promoting scalp hygiene while preventing hair loss. Furthermore, it is free from toxins, additives, or any nasty chemicals, and is completely unfiltered and undiluted. This essential oil is also well known for its aromatherapy benefits, as it can help to improve memory, which reduces stress, and can also help you naturally deliver deep sleep. So if you're looking for a therapeutic-grade essential oil for healthy hair, the MAJESTIC Pure Rosemary Essential Oil can be worth a look.
Thanks for watching. If you find our videos useful, be sure to subscribe. For more updates in the future, Don't forget to press the notification bell.